Hello, today you're looking at a Champion 10 horsepower air compressor brought to you by Lanco. Unit is rated for 10 horsepower with a PSI rating of 175. Take a look inside the control box here. Turn it on in a second. It is wired for 480 volt, as you can see right there. Overall dimensions 73 inches long by 30 inches wide by 60 inches high. Has a 120 gallon air tank there on the bottom. And to start it, just going to spin this a little bit. There you go. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.